B, boys and girls.
My name is Prince Abdi and I'm a comedian in London, yeah, and worldwide. I've always loved comedy. I've been a big fan of comedy since I was young. I've always hated the fact that, you know, somebody's going to tell me what to do. So I always like to express myself, and what a better way than to be on stage and express yourself. Oh, loads of challenges, man. Too many challenges. Where shall I start? You get challenges in every job in this world. So, you know, it's up to you to kind of, you know, ignore those challenges and just go through it. Like, if you're trying to go through a brick wall, just keep digging out that brick wall and you'll get through. The only person that can stop you is yourself. So you gotta just keep at it, man, and keep going. I'm still going, man. I ain't going nowhere. Biggest achievement is getting my British passport. I've got my British passport. No, on a serious note, biggest achievement is being able to do shows abroad. Different countries, and, you know, perform there, did festivals there, and it's great. Like, just to travel to do what you love is, I think, for me, a great achievement. And I've always loved traveling, but, you know, to travel to do what you love, awesome. Future plan, lots of babies, and more babies, and more babies, and more, no. I kill your baby and your baby. This Russian guy said that to me. I kill your baby and your baby. I'm like, that doesn't even make sense. Just keep performing, grow audience, because I love the fans, man. All three of you, I love you. I just love live stand-up. That's my favorite. Just being on stage, you know, live in front of the crowd. So that's my future plan, just to keep doing more of that.